Good morning, guys. The sun is shining out there, and that's awesome. You know, we don't get much sunshine around here. So, are we going to lose the sun? I don't know. We could lose it here. I decided I would cut my own hair, as you can see here. Kind of a crazy job I did on it, but that's all right. I'm not minding the gray this year, but the thing is, I forget how wonderful that sun is and what a burst of energy it gives me and hope, you know. And then gray's all right too, man. I'm doing so much better with it this year, you know. And considering the times, maybe I'm just used to it now. Something about gray really allows you to create, you know, really makes you want to pull out the colors, you know, and paint the world. And you're very intoxicated from the blue sky and the sunshine. I mean, those are colors that I'm not seeing right now, except today, right now, for a little bit. All right, guys. Today I'm going to be trying out my yak tracks. I just got these a couple days ago. I haven't used them yet. All my other tracks have worn out. So I got a new pair here. This is a large. I hope they're going to not be too big for my hiking boots. So what we're going to do is actually we're going to be walking down the road and heading straight down that way. And we're going to go to a place called Stark's Knob. And it's a little hike up a decent-sized hill, steep hill. So I'm thinking about just walking right down there. It'll take me probably 10 minutes to get there, 15 minutes to get there. And that will give me a good opportunity to try out the yaks and get some fresh air. The sun is out, and hey man, it's a beautiful day out there, so I'm just really looking forward to getting outside and getting some fresh air, and I came up with an excuse to do so, and also to just let you guys know how these things work out. So that's the plan. The Hudson River. You can hear the dam in the distance there. And here to the right is the Champlain Canal System, which was formed in 1823. The Mohicans originally lived here. They had 2 villages in town, and this area came to be known as Northumberland. This is a really neat little setup here. It's a little public area where you can have a lunch or breakfast or dinner, I suppose, or just chill out, change your batteries in your camera like I did. This place is rich with history. It was here in the fall of 1777, under the leadership of General John Stark, that the American forces took this position. The military concept was to hold the northern escape route and to create a bottleneck that the British and the Germans couldn't pass through and retreat to friendlier ground in Ticonderoga or Canada, where the British were in control. The closure of this escape route was critical to the surrender of General Burgoyne and ultimately the victory of the colonists in the American Revolutionary War. Climb up the trail right there and go to the top. Well, it doesn't look like I'm gonna need my yak tracks. Never can tell. Alright, we're gonna go right up that. Sure is beautiful up here. Doesn't take very long to get to the top. It's probably a 10-minute walk from the bottom of the hill. Okay. I'm not good at these kinds of things. Alright, actually my knees are shaking at this very moment, and at this point I'm taking baby steps and feeling literally dizzy. I'm just getting dizzy looking. Yeah, that's about where I don't go. Right? I mean, that looks a little icy, even with my yak tracks on, because I'm a little bit afraid of heights, that kind of heights. I'm not doing that. That's crazy. That's a sheer drop off, man, on either side. Yeah, I'm gonna stay over here. I feel a little safer over here. Yeah, it's really good to get up to places like this. I really need this, man. Things are heavy now. Life is heavy, and it's good to have an escape, and I feel on top of the world here and kind of just away from everything else. It gives me a chance to breathe deeply and be at peace and know that eventually everything's going to be all right. I mean, there's so much history here. Man has been alive for so long and endured and made it through, and we're going to do that too. And nature's here to help you, to lift you up and remind you that we are all one, and we always will be. I hope that you can get out and take a walk and get some fresh air and do whatever you need to do to keep yourself healthy in your mind. Take care of yourselves, folks. Take care of yourselves. And I want you to know that even though I don't know all of you personally, I do love each and every one of you. I have tremendous love for this earth, this world, the people, the animals, all life. Move forward with love in your heart. And always, always know that you're not alone. It's with peace, love, and understanding that we can all make a difference. So take some time to step outside the box and make your world a little bit brighter. Have a good one, folks, and we'll see you the next time. And make sure that you give me a thumbs up and a like, and be sure to subscribe. I need you to subscribe to my channel because there's lots more good stuff coming your way. Be loved, man.